Mississippi is experiencing an unprecedented boom in industrial and tech developments. The largest projects currently under construction focus on hyperscale data centers, electric vehicle manufacturing, and bulk petroleum logistics, representing tens of billions of dollars in new infrastructure. Compass Datacenters Campus is a massive $10 billion hyperscale data center development located in Meridian, Lauderdale County, Mississippi. Originally announced and broken down in early 2025, this megaproject represents a major tech infrastructure expansion in the southeastern United States. The campus will support a massive 500 megawatt power load supplied by Mississippi Power Company. This makes it the utility's single largest energy customer, demanding more than twice the power of the Chevron refinery on the Gulf Coast. The multi-facility setup will span 8 data center buildings, built incrementally over an 8-year timeline. Each individual building will cover 250,000 square feet and feature 40 megawatt of dedicated IT capacity, tailored for single-tenant hyperscale operations. Amplify Cell Technologies Battery Plant is a multi-billion-dollar commercial vehicle battery manufacturing facility located in Byhalia, Marshall County, Mississippi, designed to localize the electric truck supply chain in the United States. It is a prominent joint venture geared entirely toward the medium and heavy-duty commercial vehicle sector. However, following a groundbreaking in mid-2024, the project has faced delays and corporate restructuring into 2026 due to evolving electric vehicle market conditions. While initial plans anticipated battery cell production starting by 2027, production delayed to 2028 due to weaker than expected commercial electric vehicle truck adoption rates, a freight industry recession, and changing infrastructure support. The joint venture pushed the initial start of production back to 2028. Amazon Data Center Campuses is executing a massive $25 billion investment in Mississippi, establishing multiple hyperscale data center campuses. The projects, which stretch along the Interstate 20 corridor, include massive complexes in Madison, Warren, and Hinds counties aimed at powering cloud computing and AI operations. The active and developing campus locations feature unique operational and environmental footprints. Madison County's massive $10 billion investment project, alongside an additional $11 billion expansion in the area. 5 buildings are already active, with plans to at least double that presence. This is the single largest capital investment in Mississippi's history. The facility will transition to 100% recycled wastewater for cooling by 2027. Bulk Liquid Facility is currently constructing a brand new $316 million bulk liquid storage facility in Pascagoula, Mississippi. The company broke ground on the project in December 2025, transforming a long-vacant industrial property into a high-tech logistics hub. The facility is systematically entering its onboarding and operational readiness phase, with full construction completion on track for fall 2026. The terminal acts as a strategic logistics middleman, built specifically to support a long-term agreement with Chevron Products Company. It will receive, store, and deliver petroleum products directly for the nearby Chevron Pascagoula refinery. The project represents a massive corporate investment for the Mississippi Gulf Coast and is creating 25 permanent, high-wage jobs alongside numerous local construction roles.